Alright guys, I have my blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my chicken breasts placed in the blender. And guys, if you want to make more patty, you guys could cut up more chicken breasts. Alright guys, as you can see. Alright guys, as you see the chicken breast inside the blender, so I'm going to go ahead and start blending it. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my mixture, which is my filling for my authentic Jamaican patty. Alright guys, so this is where we finish cooking this chicken. So we're just gonna have it simmering for a good 5 minutes to be exact, guys. And remember, follow the same steps, guys. Please like and share the video, guys, because alright guys, so that is it. I'm gonna turn the stove off, so stay tuned guys. I'm gonna start my dough right now. Guys, I'm gonna use my fork and I'm gonna try to have the butter cut up, because you still have to have it evenly distributed throughout the flour. It's called crumbling. So I'm gonna use my fork. Guys, you could use your hands, anything. You could use a knife. You just want to have the butter all chopped up. I'm cutting it with the fork. As you can see how I'm doing it, guys. Guys, it's coming down to the last of the patties. So guys, I want to just give you the concept of making the patty, how to make the meat, how to go about getting the dough to perfection. Don't mind me in my cut, guys. Just make sure when you do it, it's perfect. I show you the right procedure of getting it done. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the finished product of the patty, the Jamaican authentic patty. Alright, so we're gonna do a taste test, guys. As you can see, guys, I don't want to hide the bottom and you guys don't see the true bottom, not the bottom, but so guys, we're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna crack this one open. You see that, guys?
Wow.
So we're gonna do the taste test.
Thank you.